بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله سيدنا محمد الهادي من الضلالة والمنقذ من الجهالة وسلم تسليما كثيرا أما بعد. Today inshallah we're going to be talking about the rules of noon and meem mushaddada. أحكام النون والميم المشددتين. So first, as you can see, noon and meem mushaddada. What is noon and meem mushaddada? As you can see here, noon mushaddada is this noon, okay, with this shadda on top. With this shadda on top. And meem mushaddada is this meem with a shadda on top. By the way, this shadda may come with fatha or dhamma or even kasra. Okay? So, again, what is noon and meem mushaddad or mushaddada? Noon mushaddada is a noon that has a shadda on top, and meem mushaddada is this noon that carries a shadda on top as well. Okay, so the letter that has a shadda is called mushaddad letter. All right, you might also hear noon mushaddada or meem mushaddada. All right, so I'm just telling you this in order to understand everything and all the terms that you may hear. So quickly here before we transition, let me just tell you quickly how to pronounce noon and meem. Fortunately, alhamdulillah, we have n in m or meem and noon and many different languages, so they're not going to be a big problem for a lot of people. Okay, so simply, noon is pronounced just by letting the tip of the tongue touch the gum behind the upper incisors. Listen to me carefully. N, or noon. Okay, by the way, N is the sound of the letter, noon is the name of the letter. So this is the difference so you can understand everything. As for the meem is also really easy. I think this rooster is saying hello because it's 4 a.m. in the morning right now. Thank you, my dear rooster. So anyway, the meem, how to pronounce the meem? So simply, you just let the two lips come in complete contact without pressing. You don't have to press. You just say M or meem. M. Okay? Simple, right? So again, smoothly let your two lips come together. M. Like this. I hope that was easy and beneficial. Alright, now inshallah we can move on to the ghunna. What is ghunna? You might have heard of this term before, but you don't really understand what it is. So inshallah, we're gonna break this down today. So ghunna is this nasal sound. This nasal sound that comes out of the nose whenever pronouncing the noon and the meem. As you can see here, it says this nasal sound, ghunna is this nasal sound which is emitted from the nose when we pronounce the two letters meem and noon, and is called ghunna or nasalization. So ghunna is the Arabic word, nasalization is the English word. Alright, again, what does this mean? This means that whenever you try to pronounce the noon and the meem, you should also generate this ghunna sound, this nasal sound, the sound that is emitted from your nose. Just try to put your finger on your nose while pronouncing M in N. And actually you will feel something. You will feel like a vibration in your nose. M, N, okay? All right. So here in this third section, it says, this ghunna is a required characteristic of the noon and the meem. What does this mean? So look, just try to pronounce N in M. All right, now you can say it. Just try to close your nose and pronounce the same sounds. Difficult, right? It's actually impossible, I understand. Why? Because, as you can see here, the ghunna is a required characteristic, which means you cannot pronounce the N or even the M without this nasal sound. They cannot be separated, okay? And it's an integral part of their makeup, all right? So meem or noon, they cannot be pronounced without the nasal sound. Now the question is, how can we apply this rule, the rule of noon and meem mushaddada? So simply, without any difficulties, whenever you have noon with a shadda or Meem with the shadda, you just need to hold the letter or the sound for 2 counts or 2 harakas, as we say in Arabic, or 2 beats, whatever the term is. Okay, so الناس. Listen carefully again. The second example, الخناس. So I'm not saying الناس or الخناس. I need to hold the N or the Noon for a period of time. It's about 1 second, or as we say, 2 haraka. Next example, النفاثات حمالة لينبذن لترونها ثم النعيم فأما فأمه لما مما النجوم الجنة عم ظن. So now you should practice these examples again on your own, okay? Just try to copy my way and do the same thing. Hold the noon mushaddad or the Meem mushaddad for 2 harakas. And now before I wrap things up, I gotta highlight something, which is when the reader stops on a word ending with noon or Meem mushaddad or mushaddada, the reader still has to apply the ghunna, okay, and hold the sound for 2 harakas. Example, dhan. I cannot say dhan or dhana. No, I still have to apply the ghunna even if it's located in the very end. Okay, dhan. This is already the end of our video. I hope that was beneficial for you. Today we'll learn how to pronounce Meem and Noon, what is ghunna exactly, what is shadda, what is a mushaddad letter, how to apply this rule, and we practice this with examples. Now your quiz is, I just want you to search for all ghunna. By the way, most complete ghunna is the name of this ghunna, because inshallah later on we are going to learn some other types of ghunna. So again, this ghunna in particular is called most complete ghunna. Okay, so try to search for that rule, then apply it correctly. And please leave a comment and let me know if you have any inquiries or question. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a new video. Assalamu alaikum.